Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make apple tart. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees F and line your tart pan with parchment. Then, peel and core the apples, slice them evenly, and toss with sugar, cinnamon, and a splash of lemon juice. Next, roll chilled dough and fit it into the pan, layer the apples neatly, and brush with butter before baking until golden and fragrant. Peeling, coring, and slicing apples to about 1/4 of an inch helps them cook evenly. Toss those slices with sugar, cinnamon, and a tablespoon of lemon juice to brighten the flavor and prevent browning. Let the mixture rest for a few minutes so the apples release a bit of juice, which enhances the filling's texture. Drain excess liquid if needed before arranging the slices neatly in the prepared tart shell. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: I love the Owala water bottle for staying hydrated while baking. It's leak-proof and handy to grab during prep. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. To avoid a soggy bottom, blind bake the crust briefly if your dough recipe suggests it. Arrange the apple slices tightly, brush them with melted butter, and dust with a little sugar to encourage caramelization and a glossy finish. Bake the tart at 375 degrees F for roughly 35 to 45 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the apples are tender. Cool slightly before slicing so the filling sets and serves cleanly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.